Alert 4 is following the growing calls for a federal probe into the health issues stemming from flooding issues in the Metro East. But there may be even more investigating to come. Here's First Alert 4's Deon Broxton from Cahokia Heights.
If we have a 2-day rain, 2 or 3 day rain, the ditches be full of water.
Friday, Cahokia Heights resident Walter Bird told First Alert 4 his neighbors and pets frequently get sick. He points to decades-long sewer issues in the area.
You can't live in an environment with raw sewage and be healthy.
These three federal lawmakers are calling on federal health officials to look into health issues in Cahokia Heights. The politicians cite a recent study by Washington University.
Always a hope of research is that you'll actually hopefully get past the journal publications and actually cause conversation that might actually lead to change and help people.
All layers of government, all the way down to, city, county, state, federal, should do their job to keep people healthy.
Illinois lawmaker Kevin Schmidt represents people in Cahokia Heights. He's also calling for investigations at the state and local level here at Eastside Health District, which serves people in Cahokia Heights and in East St. Louis.
And I have heard back from the Eastside Health District, and they said that they've contacted the State Department as well.
On Tuesday, St. Clair County Chairman Mark Kern addressed a complaint about the county's lack of funding to resolve the flooding issues. The chairman pointed out the spending of COVID funding for new weather sirens in the county, a disaster shelter at the fairgrounds, and an upgraded water tower in Cahokia Heights. But Representative Smith says that does not address the root cause of the flooding and sewage issues.
That COVID money probably should have been the flip of that, and there should have been more money towards actual sick people and a problem where there's raw sewage.
Kern says the county is waiting for approval from FEMA for an additional $15 million in COVID money to buy out many of the homes in Cahokia Heights.
They need to pour some of that money down here. We've been left behind.
Citizens like Walter Bird want any public money that can fix the issue. In Cahokia Heights, Deon Broxton, First Alert 4.
Chairman Mark Kern adds countywide sales taxes are helping repair old levees along this Mississippi, which helps some of these issues with flooding in the Metro East.
No